G'day, my name's Jeff. I'm from Accounting Addons, and I'm here to introduce the disruptor OdataLink. OdataLink is the easiest way to connect MYB and Xero with Power BI and Excel. While both accounting platforms have a web-based API and both reporting platforms have standard connectors, the two don't talk with each other. In the marketplace, there are existing connectors available, but each of them have an inherent flaw in that they require desktop software to be installed in order for those to be enabled, which creates complexity and reduces mobility. OdataLink is different. It's a translator which resides in the cloud and allows the two to talk with each other. It works by creating a live OData feed to an accounting data file in the cloud and returns a URL which can be copied and pasted into a standard connector within Power BI or Excel, creating a real-time connection to the data. From the user's perspective, they're able to activate Power Query, select an endpoint, view that data in a table, apply filtering and sorting, and in the background, those transformation instructions are passed via OdataLink to the accounting API, and only the required record sets are returned to the client, creating a real-time agile experience. Technically, I see OdataLink as being just a small component joining two huge players in the marketplace together. Power BI has 5 million subscribers, and Xero and MYB together have over 2.5 million. And I see that OdataLink's role can be one to increase the crossover between them all, and by doing so create huge synergy in the marketplace. Economically, I see OdataLink fueling an industry of accountants, consultants, virtual CFOs, who can now create their own unique bespoke solutions, share them seamlessly with their clients, and while at the same time protect their IP. Business users will be able to leverage their existing software already installed, create their own solutions, and then share them with colleagues. In addition, there's going to be, or there already is, a free edition of OdataLink, which hopefully will make it available to many. This is The Disruption. Thank you for listening.